So here we are. All right. So what we will need today is toilet paper rolls, scissors, glue, a little bit of cardboard paper, and a pen, and maybe some paper for decoration later on, and if you like, stickers. Okay. So we want to make sure that also tape. Sorry, I have to get that. And tape. So first what we will do is I will make a circle with on the cardboard so that we have something to close those. Yes, and we need rice to close these nice shakers later on. So, and I'll do a couple of those because I want to make sure that the cardboard is sturdy enough later on. So I have now 2 circles and I cut them out. So maybe the good thing is that I'm not handy at all or crafty. And if you're stumbling around at home the way I do, then you don't have to feel so bad about it, you know. So I'll make that little circle. And the other one. Okay, and now I'm going to glue those together. Just to make sure that once we have everything in place, that it's a little thicker and they won't break so easily. So, and now I'm going to glue them on the roll and then I'll also use tape. Okay. I do that on both sides. So now you see, oops, here we go. I have to learn how to be in opposite of of what I think I'm doing. All right, and now I'm going to draw another 2 circles for the other side. Here we go. So, all right, and I glue those two together like I did before. But before I close those up, we need to put some rice or beets inside. Hold on, and I'm just realizing I don't have the rice. Hold on. Okay, here we go. All right. Rice is here. Let's see how that sounds. Good, let me see how it sounds if I put more in there. Yeah, that's better. I like to have a crisp sound of these. Okay. Here we go. They're all over the place, but that's okay. All right. The last one's in. And now we're going to glue that around here. And stick it on the top. Good. Already looks nice. And then I use tape. Packaging tape is better to go around because packaging tape is just a little more sturdy on two sides, so that you make sure that it's definitely holding everything together, like so. So now we're just working on beautifying those. And I got some paper. Let's see. Okay, need about that much. Okay. So I'm one of those people who cannot even draw a straight line, so. I don't know what possessed me to do this with you, but then when I'm in class, I see that a lot of people don't have a lot of instruments at home, and I felt that that might be really nice to do this little project with you guys. So now we're going to put glue on here. Here we go. And I'll wrap it around. And I cut a couple of holes. And here. And we may just glue that with tape together. On both sides. Okay. That already looks nicer than before. And now I know that kids do love their stickers, and I still had some stickers that are musical that I put on here. To decorate them. They've been sitting in the closet for quite some time, so they don't stick as well as I wish, but that's okay. It's gonna take a minute to beautify my little creation here. Unfortunately, these stickers that I once bought, they're nowhere to be found anymore, and they're so pretty. It's all different bears with instruments. Don't know why they discontinue the nice things. Bass player bear I have here. So cute. And a trumpet and a banjo. Here we go. You could also paint around them and make it personal. But now we have our egg shakers. And now we can see if they work. That's the next thing we're going to see. Whoops, one fell off. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. go. And I'm going to use music from Music Together's family favorites, which you can order the CD from Music Together, or you also find them on Spotify. And I will do the song Bidi Bidi, which is wonderful as an egg shaker. Okay. Oh, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum. Oh, doodle doodle doo 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 doo. Oh, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum, bidi bidi bum 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 bum, bidi bidi bum bum ba-dum ba-dum. All right, very good. So now you see how I did the egg shakers. It's not very difficult to do. You don't need a lot of things, of course. Toilet paper has been a rare find these days, but if you have a toilet paper roll, it's fabulous. And if you want to go larger, you can use paper towels. This is a rainmaker. And this was made as a gift to me from one of my students. So that is also another option. Okay, I hope you had fun, and we'll see you soon. Next week we're going to do a Zoom dance party. So join us. Take care. Bye.